It's your travel agent, David, and we have just arrived at Long Beach Cruise Port. Now, check this out. I'm going to show you something that's really awesome there. So when you come, make sure you plan a little bit of extra time so you can check it out. That is the USS Iowa. It was commissioned on my birthday in 1942, and it served in World War II, the Korean War, and throughout the Cold War. It's now a museum that you can go check out, and it's right by the port because there's the port. We were group 2, and it took us 40 minutes to get our bags and get through customs. I heard that subsequent groups were taking over an hour to an hour and 15 minutes to get through customs. If you're planning on taking a Trans-Pacific cruise or some other cruise that originates in a foreign country and coming into Long Beach, you need to make sure that you leave late afternoon or early evening to make sure that you have enough time to get through, or do what Heejin and I did and take one of their shuttles and get an early departure time. pro tip, if you take the shuttle, make sure you take a screenshot of your bill to show that you have paid for your travel. Unfortunately, Royal never sent our name to the vendor, so it took us about 15 minutes to get that all sorted out. Had we had a screenshot of our invoice, we could have gone through a lot faster. And unfortunately, once we left the ship, our invoice was taken off of the app. We had no more access to any data from the cruise on the app.